Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, June 28. The first batch of 209 recruits under the Jamaica National Services Corps, JNSC, has successfully completed the program. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the 4 phases of training over a 1-year period has equipped the graduates with important life skills.
Today is a celebration of all that is right with Jamaica. It is a celebration of endurance and achievement. It is a celebration of hope and indeed a celebration of faith. Government, families, and the wider Jamaica has in your ability to exceed expectation and live a life of which we all can be abundantly proud.
The Prime Minister was speaking at Tuesday's passing out ceremony at Up Park Camp. The JNSC is part of the Learn, Earn, Give, Save initiative of the HOPE program for unattached youth ages 18 to 24 years old. The 209 recruits underwent a modified version of the Jamaica Defense Force's traditional basic military training in its operational units. They also received vocational and on-the-job training. Public service delivery in the region is expected to be improved with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Caribbean Center for Development Administration, CARICAD, and the University of the West Indies Cave Hill campus. The signing took place during CARICAD's 35th Board of Governors meeting at the Courtly Hotel on Tuesday. It provides for capacity building and development in the region through public sector administration.
This MOU will offer us an opportunity to avoid duplication of effort and instead to work together harmoniously to deliver on the objectives that we share.
This framework agreement gives us the opportunity to partner with CARICAD to shape public sector administration in the Caribbean through teaching, through joint collaborative research, through partnerships in different areas. We could advance public sector administration.
CARICAD is the region's focal point for transforming and modernizing public sectors of member states, having become fully operational in 1980. The Jamaica Information Service, JIS, is moving ahead with plans to implement advanced technology systems for the digitization of its assets. With the approval of over $28 million by Chase Fund, the JIS has begun the procurement process for digitizing equipment, software, and also the engagement of professional support.
The GIS is far advanced in preparation for digitization, which bolstered by the newly adopted intellectual property policy, is expected to protect assets, improve efficiency in production, and boost revenues.
Minister Henry was delivering his sectoral debate presentation in Parliament on Wednesday. In addition to the digitization of assets, the JIS will also be integrating new technology at the new location for the television department and its intellectual property management system.
Going forward, Mr. Speaker, the GIS will secure cutting-edge information communication technology systems and equipment acquisition to enhance its performance in the delivery of services, as well as to ensure compliance with records management and best practices.
A division of the Industrial Dispute Tribunal, IDT, is to be established in Montego Bay by March 2019. Minister of Labour Shahini Robinson said a location has been identified and work will be done to have the division up and running by the specified timeline. Minister Robinson was making her sectoral presentation in Parliament on Tuesday. She said the Industrial Relations Department within her ministry continues to work closely with employers and workers to reach a mutual agreement in order to maintain industrial harmony and peace.
I'm pleased to report that during the 2017-2018 financial year, the ministry was able to resolve 70% of the reported industrial disputes. We will be further strengthening the industrial relations machinery through a series of seminars and workshops for labour officers to expand and improve the ministry's capacity to respond to issues affecting workers and employers alike.
Still in Parliament, Minister Robinson said her office will be increasing its monitoring of employment agencies offering jobs overseas. This is being done to clamp down on agencies that are scamming persons of money through false advertisement.
We intend to increase our monitoring of employment agencies. Our website is updated regularly so clients can view those agencies that are licensed, and every Sunday there is an ad in the classified section of the newspapers warning persons not to pay monies to people purporting to be able to place them in job overseas. And the Ministry of Labour does not charge money to send people overseas.
To safeguard persons from being trafficked through these false employment agencies, the Labour Ministry will be starting a human trafficking sensitization program with agencies and their clients.
We are also taking steps to amend the Employment Agencies Act to expand the range of breaches covered by the legislation and to allow for the application of stiffer penalty measures.
And finally, the statue of Olympian SHELLYANN PRYCE is to be cleared at the wharf this week. Sport Minister Olivia Grange gave the assurance at the ceremony on the weekend to unveil a maquette of the sculpture. The Basil Watson designed statue is part of the sports segment of the Jamaica 55 Legacy Program and will be erected at Statue Park in the National Stadium Complex this October. Minister Grange says Fraser Price, who is one of 4 outstanding sporting stars to receive a statue, is deserving of the honor.
SHELLYANN remains the only female sprinter to be crowned IAAF World Champion over the 100 meters 3 times. She is the second female sprinter to hold both world and Olympic 100-meter titles simultaneously. She's the only female athlete to reign as both world and Olympic champion on separate occasions.
I'm just really pleased to be able to stand here and look back at my past and where I am now, and how much, track and field has given me the platform not only to, to express myself and to, to have fun and to achieve things, but to also inspire a generation of young ladies who are looking for someone to look up to.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.